Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series is already making waves, thanks to a steady stream of juicy leaks about its design, features, and now, color options. While the exact launch date is still under wraps, it's likely we'll see the big reveal sometime in the first half of next year. And judging by the latest leaks, Samsung's shaking things up with a fresh palette. According to a sneak peek from tipster Roland Quant, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus might come in 5 new colors: black, green, purple, blue, and a sleek white or silver combo. Gone are the bold, vibrant shades of the S24 series. Remember amber yellow and cobalt violet. This time, Samsung seems to be leaning into soft, pastel tones for a more refined, minimalist vibe. What's interesting is that earlier reports from display analyst Ross Young hinted at sparkling colors like Moon Night Blue and Silver Shadow. But now it looks like Samsung has changed its tune, opting for understated elegance over flashy finishes. For those eyeing the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's all about premium titanium shades: titanium black, blue, gray, and silver. These colors scream luxury and fit the Ultra's reputation as the most high-end model in the lineup. If exclusivity is your thing, some of these shades might only be available through Samsung's online store, including blue or black, coral red, and pink gold for the S25 and S25 Plus, and even titanium jade green and titanium pink for the Ultra. As the launch inches closer, Samsung seems to be walking the line between bold innovation and classy design. The mix of soft pastels and premium metallics hints at a series that's designed to please both trendsetters and those craving sophistication. So, which color are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, take care.